What's up, guys? Today, talking about atmosphere aerosol. Today we're gonna be doing photos at a high school here in Southwest Louisiana. Colors are red, white, and blue. Oh yeah, I know you feel it. But anyway, we're gonna be using this cool product, which is atmosphere aerosol, and it's gonna give us some dimension to our photos. It's gonna make them look really cool. So you guys stay in store and get ready to watch an amazing shoot. It's volleyball. I've been shooting volleyball every day. So doing more volleyball today, so it's gonna be a volleyball shoot. You guys are gonna love it. Got some amazing players. She just disappeared, but it's gonna be fun. Stay tuned. Let's do this. Bring that backhand up. Bring that ball down just a little bit. Right there, 1, 2. Ball down a little bit and out. A little bit more out. Got me. Perfect. Man, Gage, you must really like her. Her smoke's good. All right, that's fire. Perfect. Pop the knee closest to me. Yeah, bring your face this way. Yeah, right there, got me. 1, 2. And 1, 2. Can you take one more step towards my post? Yeah, right there, got me. Perfect. Dip that nose that way toward my light. This light. Got me. 1, 2. All right, one more. Okay, let me see both hands on the ball like this. Pop the hip the opposite way. There we go. Separate the feet. More. More. Keep going. Electric slide. That's close to what we want. Yeah. Good. You did ballet? I could tell. All right. 1, 2. Chin down a little bit. Go first position. Oh, too long ago? Okay, perfect. Let me see ball right here. Yep, and pointing with the other hand. You cool with that?
Sure.
All right, perfect. Hand down just a little bit. Oh, we're gonna do whisper, yeah? Let's do the back one. We'll do the back one after this. All right, and action. Serious. Okay, no smile. All right, do the back one. Quick, quick, quick. Hurry, my smoke. Yeah, put your foot up. Right there, good. No, that looks like a baby. Hold it in the other hand. Right there, good, perfect. 1, 2. Nah. Okay, I'll do one more, I'm sorry. Yeah. She's just my best friend who would never let me help put up the net. Ready?
Hey,
You did. Perfect, and you're happy. You love Jesus. You don't love Jesus.
Wait, am I smiling?
Yes. If you love Jesus, you smile. Okay, awesome. All right, 1, 2, 3. Chin up just a hair. 1, 2, 3. I like that. Can I see one with the ball in front of you like this? Pop hip other way. Yep, good. Nose to my light. Yep, good. 1, 2. And 1, 2. All right, do you want to do one with your back against the wall?
Sure.
All right, let's go back against the wall.
This one?
Yeah, whichever one feels comfy. Put it on the knee. Oh, no, that's good actually right there. Yeah, and this one, you want to go up or none? Okay, let's go down so I can see lines. And maybe you should point at 5 for one. We'll do just regular, and then we'll point at 5. All right, we're ready.
Serious? Smiling.
Is this sucker really skateboarding while I'm painting? I guess so. Nice. Okay. Yep. Perfect. I like that. Okay. And then whisper yell? Whisper yell?
Yes.
We'll go smoke on that. Elijah, you're gonna hear me on the camera talking about you.
Can I do like this?
Yeah. Ready?
Leg up?
I think so. Turn a little bit to my light. Yeah. Yell up at the light. Yeah. Got it. 1, 2. Chin down a little bit. That's pretty. Okay, let me see. Back against the post. Ball in the opposite hand. Chilling. Bring one little knee up. Yep, nose, just a little bit right there. Got it, perfect. I think I'm gonna have you hip it. Yeah, good. 1, 2. And 1, 2. Oops, hold on. All right, nose here, right here, Labs. You got a little hair right there. Feel it? Got me. Sorry, it's sticky in here. All right, right there. 1, 2. And one more. Perfect. Let me see face of me. Yep, ball right here. Pop the hip. Scooch this way a little bit. I knew you had it in you, bro. A little bit of nose this way. Good. Don't get out of here with them fake smiles, girl. There we go. Let me see serious for 1. That was good. All right, let's smile. 1, 2. All right, and serious. Yeah. You just did it. Very good. Let me do serious one more time. Turn your hips this way. Yeah, right there, good. Bring your ball out just a hair. Yeah, right there. 1, 2. And a little bit lower on the toss. 1, 2. Oh, 1, 2. Got it, perfect. Here we go.
Oh, and how do we literally?
1, 2. And 1, 2. I like it.
Wouldn't it be so cute if one was on this side?
Yeah,
How do you do that?
just like you do. Yeah. Perfect, let me move my leg. I think I'm just tear this one down. Yeah.
What do you do with your feet?
All right, that looks good. 1, 2. And 1, 2. Y'all should peekaboo at each other.
Like this?
Yeah. I like that, that's cute. Awesome.
Hey, you gotta look at the
You go on this side? Okay, I think I can help her. Hey! Georgia. Hey, Georgia. Hey, Georgia. Boop, 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 boop. I see you. Yeah. Beep, 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 beep. Let me see y'all looking at each other. Oh, look at JC. JC, right?
Yes.
Look at JC. That's perfect. I love it. 1, 2. Got it.
Thank you.
Hey, there we go.
Come on. Good enough. Good enough. Thank you.
You're welcome. 3, 2, 1. You gotta jump with it though.
Oh wait, I didn't know. Okay. Oh gosh.
All right. 3, 2, 1.
Oh wait.
It slipped out of your hand. One more again. Should do it too. Yeah. Try. Can you do it with your other hand? Yeah, that might look better. Yeah.
Don't hit me.
Try to jump though. Try to jump. 3, 2, 1.
Oh, you made it. That's
Hey, that was good.
my face is stupid. Oh, shut up. That's so
That's good.
yeah, that's okay. Shady one. Oh, we don't need this. No.
No, you don't need it. I'm gonna put them all at the top there in the group section.
What do you want to do? You want to do just like the regular?
Yeah. All right, here we go. 1, 2. And 1, 2. Perfect. 1, 2. Come forward a step. And I'll come halfway too. 1, 2. And 1, 2. Can I turn your hips this way? Some more. You can bring your feet. Yeah, now it's there. Line up this way a little bit. Too much. Come back. All right, there. 1, 2. And 1, 2. Beautiful. 3, 2, 1. Down. Toss. My friend got afraid. Oh, hands down just a little bit too. But that looks really fire. Okay. The hands down a little bit more. Down. Your hand in the keys. Right there. 3, 2, 1. Down. Toss. We're just so afraid we're gonna get hit. Oh yeah, we got it. Okay, I like it. Perfect.
Oh, you poopy.
That looks nice.
Ooh, that is so cute. That is cute.
Okay.